you planning to long or short the market next week? Do you know what are the key levels that may make or break your trade? Watch on to find out more. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to this episode of How to Make Money This Week, where I will be going through what is going on with the stock market currently and where it might be heading, so that we can all be prepared for it this week and take that one small step towards building the dream life that we've always wanted. Now before we start, I want you to stop and think about how much money you are willing to lose this week. Remember, trading is the business of using or risking money to make money. Risk, or the big R, is the amount of money you are willing to let go. And if you lose that amount of money, you wouldn't lose sleep at night. Now, I want you to pause this video and decide what that number is. Okay, let's go. As expected, since about a month ago, price has moved to the strong downtrend line and immediately gets rejected from there. The softer inflation rate at 7.1% pushed the price towards the downtrend line before being resisted by the FOMC meeting, which announced higher terminal rates. Going forward, as price has broken below the support line, it is going to be more bearish than bullish. That said, I wouldn't short now as there is no good risk-reward ratio. We'll be waiting for price to go up slightly before pulling the trigger. And on the economic events front, we will be getting some homeless data, GDP, jobless claims, etc. next week. However, I don't expect these to throw anything off the charts. So there you go. I've shared how I plan to tackle the market and make money next week. If you found this video useful, let me know in the comments below so I will make more of these. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I post more frequently on my Telegram channel, so head on there if you want to get free live trade setups and ideas. The link will be posted below. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you have taken away something from this video and know what to do to make money this coming week. My goal is to show that everyone can trade the stock market and build their dream life, as long as it's done the right way. And you are definitely one of them. See you in the next video.